In this video, I'm going to show you how to deselect something in Photoshop. So as you're manipulating your photos, doing what you want to do, if it's fonts, if it's PNGs, if it's pictures, whatever you want to do, you will often have to select something and move something and change something. So what we can do is actually go over here to the left-hand side and just hit the quick selection tool. And what you want to do, we're going to choose the correct layer here. And what we're going to do is just quickly select the Facebook logo, and it is currently selected. So I like to use the hotkey shortcut on Mac, and that would be Command D. So what that's going to do is I'm going to hit Command D, and that's going to deselect. So it's very, very simple to do. What you can do is you can just keep on going back and forth. If you want to change your selection, we can hit deselect. And what if you just wanted to hit the F? So we can choose that. We can also add to our selection as well and keep on selecting and just deselect a selection. So if I were to turn this layer off, and let's say you wanted to get this picture of Superman, but you didn't want the background. So let's go ahead and quickly select the actual person here, Superman. So we're just going to click and drag, and you can keep on adding to your selection very, very easily. Now, there's a lot of more precise ways to do this with the pen tool and stuff like that, but we can just quickly do this. And I'm going to hit Command C to copy and Command V to paste. So now what we did was we made a copy of that selection. So our selection, we were able to copy it, and now we can have them on a different photo. So there's a lot of processes with selecting something and deselecting something. And so I hope you guys found this useful. I hope it's a very easy way to get rid of something if you don't want something, or to redo a selection. And we will see you in the next video.